Hi everyone, myself Kantraj HD, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. In this session, we are going to discuss down Newton-Gregory forward and backward interpolation formula for equally spaced intervals or equally spaced values along with problems. What is interpolation? This is the process of finding a missing value in a given table is called interpolation, and the process of finding the missing value outside the given table is called extrapolation. This Newton-Gregory interpolation formula is only valid when the given table is equally spaced. Let's see the Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. Suppose y equals f of x be a function which assumes the values y0 corresponds to x0, y1 corresponds to x0 plus h, y2 corresponds to the x0 plus 2h, and so on. Let us find the value of f of x for x equals x0 plus p into h, where p is a real number. Then yx, nothing but f of x equals y0 plus p into delta y0 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus and so on delta to the power n y0. This formula is known as Newton-Gregory interpolation formula. Here P is calculated as x minus x0 divided by h. X is the point in which the function to be calculated minus initial value divided by space between the interval, and y0 comma delta y0 comma delta square y0 are the forward differences. Note, this formula is valid only equally spaced values. Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. As same as forward interpolation formula, y equals f of x be a given function which assumes the values y0, y1, y2 corresponds to the values x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, and so on. Let us find the value of f of x for x equals xn plus ph, where p is a real number. Then our formula is yx equals f of x equals yn plus p into nabla yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial nabla square yn plus and so on nabla to the power n yn. This formula is known as Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. Here p can be calculated, or p is calculated as x minus xn divided by h, where xn is a final value of x and yn comma nabla yn comma nabla square yn are the backward differences. These formula are used for extrapolation also. That means Newton-Gregory formula can also be used for extrapolation. That means to find the point or functional value out of the table. Let's see the example. Estimate f of 1.2 from the table. Table is like this. x0 corresponding f of x value is 2. For 2, functional value is 10. For 4, functional value is 66. For 6, the functional value is 218 or 218. Let's see the solution for this problem. First, we have to construct the difference table for given table. That is like this. So, first column we take the value of ordinates, that is value of x, and Next column is functional values corresponds to the values of x, and next adjacent to the functional value we have to construct the difference values. So first we have to take the first difference delta, and second difference delta square, and third difference delta cube, and so on. So here functional value 2 and 10, the difference between 2 and 10 gives us a delta y naught, that is 8. Similarly, difference between these two, that means 8 and 56, gives us a delta square y naught, and this difference between these two is delta cube y naught. These values are very essential to evaluate the functional value using Newton-Gregory forward difference interpolation formula. Next, calculate the value of p, that is, we have to find the functional value f of 1.2. So 1.2 minus initial value 0, 1.2 minus 0 divided by 2 gives us a 0.6. Now from Newton-Gregory interpolation formula, f of 1.2 equals 2 plus y naught value is 2 plus p value is 0.6 into delta y naught value is 8 plus, similarly continue, p value is 0.6 into p minus 1 value is minus 0.4 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught value is 48 plus p value is 0.6 into 1 minus p minus 1 value is minus 0.4 into minus 1.4 whole divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught value is 48. On evaluating each term we get 2 plus 3.6 minus 5.6 plus 2.688. Sum these values, we finally get the functional value f of 1.2 as a 2.688. Similarly, see one more problem. Find the value of 3.5 using the Newton's backward interpolation formula from the following table. Table is given like this. X has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding functional values are 4, 13, 34, 73 and 136. See the solution. First construct the difference table. Difference table is like this. So 1, 1, 2, corresponding function value is 13. For 3 it is 34, and 4 it is 73. For 5 it is 136. Next we have to find the corresponding differences. So observe this is the difference table for the corresponding given table. Here the value 63 gives us a nabla yn. This one is nabla square yn. This one is nabla cube yn. This one is nabla to the power 4 yn. Then find the value of p. X minus xn divided by h equals 3.5 minus 5 divided by 1 equals minus 1.5. Substitute this p value in backward difference formula and evaluate. We get f of 3.5 equals 136 plus minus 1.5 into 63 plus minus 1.5 into minus 0.5 divided by 2 into 24 plus minus 1.5 into minus 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 6 into 6 plus nabla to the power 4 yn equals 0. Therefore last term become 0, which gives us a term which is equals to 136 minus 94.5 plus 9 plus 0.375. Hence the final answer is 50.875 is the value of f of 3.5. See the next problem. Using Newton-Gregory formula, find the polynomial in x for the given data. This is the given data. X equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Corresponding functional value are 2, 3, 12 and 35. Let's see the solution. As usual, first process we have to find the difference table. This difference table we have to consider. Therefore, f of x equals, that means in the place of p we have to put the value x. Therefore we get f of x equals 2 plus x into 1 plus x into x minus 1 divided by 2 into 8 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by 6 into 6. Carefully observe that if the function at which value we have to calculated is not given, then we have to take p as a x itself. On simplification we get, which is f of x equals 2 plus x plus 4x square minus 4x plus x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. On complete simplification we get functional value in terms of x as x cube plus x square minus x plus 2. Put the value, that means f of 0.5 by Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula is follows as p equals 0.5 minus 0 divided by 1 equals 0.5, which gives us a f of 0.5 equals 2 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 into 8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 divided by 6 into 6. On simplification we get 1.875, but from the formula f of x equals x cube plus x square minus x plus 2 implies that f of 0.5 is equals to 1.874. Thank you for watching.